So here we are at the end of day 3 of the Rocket Heater Jamboree. And this hole, well, half of this hole that Rodney made and Rodney and crew made.
So this is stiff for tomorrow.
Look at this. This is becoming a stove, an enormous rocket stove. We've got our feed tube down here. The old burn chamber is actually going to be underground so that we can have a decent countertop height and a full heat riser height. There's our ceramic wool heat riser and perlite surrounding it, and the blocks that'll hold our heavy water pot. Wow, this is definitely coming along. You gonna wrap it in cob on the inside too?
We're trying to decide if we're gonna do that or if that's gonna be strong enough. I'm thinking of putting rock wool.
If you do rock wool on the inside, I would do at least another layer of cob for structure on the outside.
Yeah. Well, this is just rough. This is just get this thing to break brick the whole time. That's all this is.
Yeah. But maybe even stick some cob to the inside and use that to stick the ceramic wool to give yourself a...
That's what I did around here on the joints.
Excellent. Yeah. Yeah, Rodney, don't people usually say you need a little more structure?
Yes.
Wow, this is coming along so cool.
It'll be a tight fit to get the fiberglass insulation and the sheetrock on, but it feels good.
Yeah. Well, where are you going to run the wiring that's not all going to melt? I was like... And this does have a light that goes on when you're using it.
It's
right here?
flame.
Yeah, it's a flame.
Really bright, pretty orange light.
Okay.
Yeah, push that back where it belongs and hold it in place for a minute.
It appears to be kind of locked where it is.
Well, it's only locked because I just pushed cob in it. But I'm not skillful enough to...
It makes me feel good that I can actually do one thing that you're not so much better at than me.
Oh no, I can sit there and hold stuff.
Mud? Is good at mud? What?
Let's try to come across on this one.
Okay. The food is ready.
Yeah, this is why we're trying to get this top lip so that tomorrow it's solid enough.
So it's solid enough to press on.
Because we didn't get started with cob till very late.